Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Can I understand English, ma'am?
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm happy
Why you wanted to work here in Malaysia?
for future to my son, ma'am.
Is it your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day. My name is Cristel Satingasin Munisit. I'm 28 years old and I live in Tulan Taluya, Glan, Sarangani Province, Philippines. And I was born on September 7, 1996, and I have a child, one, and the name of my child is Zach Sayon Munisit Dimo and 4 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you. You relax, don't get nervous, okay? So are you single or married?
Single mom and with living partner.
Okay. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11" and my weight is 49.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your live-in partner? Did he allow you that you were going to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He is 30 years old and no occupation po.
He don't have any job there in the Philippines. He don't have job?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family then?
Five, ma'am.
You're the fifth. So who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 58 age and housekeeping po.
Okay, so what about your father?
My father is fully visit his TPWH government.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2014 to 2018 for 4 years as a working student, house helper. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which
At
place?
General Santos City, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Jensen while you are a working student?
I am working student for 4 years to the family of 4 members of the family, 2 years and 8 years. Kids, I'm cooking, I'm laundry and ironing.
Okay, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you take care of 2 and 8 years old children, is it? Okay, way back 2018 to 2022, you work as a sales associate. In which place
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
Philippines is it?
General Santos City, Mall of KCC Mall.
Okay, so why you wanted to work here as a domestic helper?
Pardon, ma'am.
Why do you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
For my family, ma'am.
Do you know that Being domestic helper is very tough.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to clean the entire house. Sometimes your lunch, your dinner, you will eat like quite late. So can you endure all of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so domestic helper is a very tough job. It is not that so easy, and you will also going to sign a 2 years contract, or you know. So any
Yes,
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Once breach of contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know what you are getting into. Okay? We are not playing here that if you wanted to go back home in the Philippines, it's so easy for you guys to go back home. No such a thing, okay? Because nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You wanted to come
Yes,
and
ma'am.
work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know that you have a plan for your family, for your child, knowing that in Philippines, the government there is really drastically down, correct? So
Yes,
you don't
ma'am.
have any choice but to work in other countries because we don't have any opportunity in the Philippines, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we need to strive hard, we need to work properly. So you need to endure all these things, you need to embrace yourself. What will you do if your homesickness strikes you? Like for example, you know that this is your first time working abroad and homesickness will frequently attack you. So how will you gonna handle it?
I pray to God, ma'am, and if I might done to my work, ma'am, I contact to my family and watching my funny videos, ma'am.
Okay. So you know that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only inside the house, okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want later that I will ask you all these things and then suddenly there is an employer wanted to interview you and then suddenly you will going to choose the job. No, ah? Okay? So as much as possible, please answer yes or no. I don't want to keep on repeating myself. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you okay to take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Are you okay? Oh, or do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What foods or what variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino, ma'am. Filipino food, like vegetable.
But are you okay or are you willing to learn like new recipes like Malaysian foods, Indian foods?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs or any cats or rabbits?
I afraid the big dog, ma'am.
But you are okay to take care pets.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After that, you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But instead, you will going to stay inside the employer's house only. If you will work, of course, we have 1,800 in our contract right now. But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate, which means you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't want to force people to come here. It's either you agree with our terms and conditions, then you can come, as long as you don't give us headache and you don't demand us about all these things. Because in our initial interview, I already explained you about our rules and regulations. So once you come to work here, don't try to ask permissions to the employer regarding that you will go out on your rest day because we will going to adhere with our terms and conditions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So That's all. We need to respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. As I have mentioned, this is not the Philippines. We cannot bring our attitude in the Philippines here in Malaysia. We can do whatever we want in the Philippines, but here, no such a thing. Okay? We need to respect
Yes.
and follow the rules and regulations. Yeah?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.